Have you feelings? If you have feelings and love for everybody, birds, beach, animal, plants and humans, then you are Buddha, Vivekananda and this Pandit Fakir Yogi Benri. Do you think that everyone has similar feelings? They have the same experience of life, joys, happiness, sorrow, grief and pain, as you have experienced in your own life? Then you are a true human being. Buddha was a such. Vivekananda was one such, and I am one such. Look at, they are my peacocks, your peacocks, the national bird of India. You will have plenty of such peacocks coming every early in the morning, and I'm feeding them tons of rice. Of course, we are partners, Dr. Satnarayan and myself, they are doing this philanthropic business. Business in the sense, selflessly helping these innocent birds to feed on some foods. Rice, I don't have other material to feed them, but rice is of course there with me. We buy from friends and then feed these birds. This is just an example. I want to help people, I want to serve people, I want to care for people because there is the meaning of my life. And I appreciate everyone who has this vibrant attitude towards loving, caring, sharing. I'm full of praise for such great people. Maybe Prime Minister Narendra Modi, maybe Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, maybe Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, maybe Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. All these people have love for the people. They want to see people are secure, safe. And they are trying their best to eliminate the evils from the society and create a wonderful society where there is peace, tranquility, happiness and joy, where birds with animal, plants and humans can live in perfect harmony. That has only come by a lot of meditation and contemplation, knowing the true meaning of life, to be a true servant. Not to be happy for self, but to make everyone happy. Birds with animal, plants and humans, protect them. There is your dignity of being human being, otherwise you are a cattle. I warn you, in this world's broad field of battle in the bivouac of life, be not a drum-driven cattle, be a hero in the strife. Hero means right thought, which is your mastery, calmness of mind, which is your power, and self-discipline, self-control is really your strength. Viewers, I love everyone. You see, another animal is coming. They drink water here in this Om Shanti Ashram. It is running towards that water pond. Everyone comes here because this is a place where is only affection, kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity, humility, generosity, truth, justice, peace prevails here. Because that comes because this is only the way people should live. Love everyone, care for everyone. This should be your natural instinct. You see, some other birds are also there. That white one, some crane or some... Why? This is Om Shanti Ashram, a word of peace, tranquility, joy and serenity for everyone. Birds with animal, plants and humans. Narni City, Vibinagar, Telangana, Bharat. Thank you. This is Pandit Fakir Yogi Benri.